Have you ever actually made a New Year's resolution to lose weight, exercise more, to drink more water, to get more sleep, to all the different things that pertain to your health, and actually stuck it out until December? Yeah, I know. That's the same thing for most of us, actually. In today's Reform Part 2 effort, we discuss just that. The reason why giving it the extra push, the extra try is very, very important. You see, my friends, everything in life does, take effort. Getting up out of bed on a particularly rough day, going to work for people who don't appreciate you only because you need to make ends meet. It takes effort. And I could be here all day with a list of the things that do take effort. And so does, saying, you know what, I'm going to get up a little early in the morning and get out there and walk for at least an hour. I'm going to get off of social media an hour earlier tonight and try to put in enough sleep. I'm going to try to take better care of how I eat, how I drink. I'm going to try to go out more in nature and try to get some good fresh air into my lungs and be resolute about it and stick to it. It takes effort. But here's the thing. Just like in nature, so in these things, it seems, just throw a couple of seeds in the ground and just wait a couple of months, and next thing you know, you have a tree coming up out the ground. But do you know, even in that, there's effort, there's things that's going on under the ground that you don't see. And then when that tree does come up, oh, that gardener, that farmer, has to take special care in its growth and development. It takes effort. But at the end of all of that long process, the fruit that he or she receives is well worth it. You know what? Ultimately, as we've said in prior episodes, it is true. We do know that this body of ours, eventually it will decay. It will corrupt and go back to the dust. But you know what? Maybe it's not so much about how long we lived, but how much we lived. If you're not able to do the things that, say for instance, you worked hard all your life, and then you say, you know what, let me retire. Is it to retire to a nursing home, or to be able to spend some time enjoying the fruits of your labors? Think about that for a second. Friends of mine, it does take effort, And as I close, I just encourage you, even if you've fallen off the path in any of the areas we've discussed, whether it's walking, whether it's your nutrition, whether it's in getting to bed at a decent time. Yeah, it takes effort, but it is worth it. See you next time.